ASUS router port forward rule not saving. Browser cache fix. Step 1. Access router settings. Open your web browser and navigate to your ASUS router administration page and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to port forwarding. From the left-hand menu under Advanced Settings, click on WAN. Then select the Virtual Server or Port Forwarding tab. This is where you would normally add new rules. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If rules aren't saving, an outdated browser cache might be the culprit. Go to your browser settings and clear your browsing history, cookies, and cached images or files. This often resolves interface issues. Step 4. Reload router interface. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Then log back into your router. This ensures that the new settings are fully loaded and the interface is updated. You might be prompted to reload the page after clearing the cache.